How to reset Instagram password if forgotten. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to reset Instagram password if forgotten. The first step is to open or launch the Instagram mobile application just like you can see here. This is the home page of the app. From here, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile section of your Instagram account. On this page, there are various options available for accessing different features of the app. Among them, make sure you tap on the menu icon, which is this one here with the hamburger symbol. Once you do that, you will be directed to the page titled Settings and Activity. Here, you will find several options that allow you to manage and make changes to your account settings. From these options, tap on the one named Account Center. Inside the Account Center, you'll find different settings to control your Instagram account. Scroll down through the options. Make sure you are carefully following each step to avoid any mistakes. Okay, let's continue. From the available choices, tap on the one labeled Password and Security. This will take you to a section with settings related to your password and overall account security. From here, tap the option called Change Password. Once you do this, you'll be shown a list of accounts connected to your app. Select the account for which you want to reset the password. After choosing the account, you'll see fields for entering a new password. But since the password has been forgotten, we won't use those fields. Instead, tap on the option that says Forgotten your password. After that, Instagram will send a reset link to the email address associated with your account. Go to your email inbox and look for the message from Instagram. As you can see, here it is. Open the email and tap on the button that says Reset Password. You will then be taken to a page where you can create a new password for your account. The process is that simple. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to reset Instagram password if forgotten.